Gotta make sure I got the good hipster look going. Gotta not be blown out by the light. Yeah, I got some really good lighting techniques for you guys today. Okay.
Hi guys, welcome to Bozo's Beer Reviews. And today we got an interesting more local brew here for you. We got cariboo malt. Cariboo malt. I'm not sponsored. This is not a sponsored video. This is just an informational video for beer review, beer at beeradvocate.com, www.beeradvocate.com, and this is the cariboo malt today. Today we're going to be reviewing that beer because that's the one that they had at the store. They had other beers at the store. This is just the one that I got because it's cheap and it has lots of alcohol in it. Because anyway, guys, let's get on with the review. So we got ourselves a classic mason jar. Classic mason jar, perfect pour, perfect receptacle, because beeradvocate.com recommends to drink your beer out of a glass. Now, I don't really have a lot of glasses. I mostly drink water out of my hands, or just beer out of a can. But in order to posture to you guys that I'm in somehow an informative voice when it comes to beer, I'm gonna be pouring it in a glass for you guys to get a good factor. Okay, now first things first, the open. How does it? Okay, yes, it opens like a beer, just like a beer. Okay, look, you see some foam on the top, so you know that this is not CGI foam. This is not CGI. You just trace it a little bit with your finger, just dab it a little bit on your yeah. Okay, and that already we're beginning to get some of that smell. We're already getting some of that smell, but let's not get into that just yet. Let's see how this pours. Now this is gonna be a little bit difficult to do with one hand because I do have to make. I don't own a tripod because I'm a poor guy. I spend all my money on beer, so I have to I know you're gonna say this is a bad pour. I'm supposed to pour it into the side of the glass, but bear with me here. This is how to put your own little spin on it. You can't afford to pour your beer properly. Just do it like this. Make sure you get lots of head in there. And you see it looks already real good. Look at that nice thick head. I mean, I think this beer has a little bit too much head on it. I have to say, so far my impressions of the head are, I mean, we're getting more head like I did on prom night. Okay, so there's just a little joke there for you guys. No, it's pouring into a nice, really nice piss yellow color. Look at that. Look at the way the light just shines through that. It is very clear. You can see no impurities in there. Wow, look at that. We're still pouring it in there, nice and slow, so we don't get too much of that head on there. And now we just gotta wait for that. Look at that frothy goodness. Sorry to all those AA members out there, all those guys that don't know how to have no fun. All those Mormons. But yeah, this is a real beer with alcohol in it. Okay, so it's pouring very nicely. Yes. It's pouring very nicely. Yes. Beautiful. Yes. That's just what we like to see. You see, a little science lesson for you. This is called surface tension. If your beer doesn't do this, if it doesn't have the nice head that you can just wipe off like that, it's not a good beer. It's got to be it's got to have the head's got to have some head. You know what I mean. So let's see if we can't get the rest of this can in there. Beautiful. Okay, so that's the whole can in there. Now already we can see, as I said before, a very nice golden color. It's very good. Okay, so let's take a couple whiffs, shall we? Yes, you can definitely smell the malt finish. Very malty. Not quite so many hops, because there's hops and there's malt and there's water in beer, and I don't smell any of the water. I don't smell any hops. I do smell the malt though. Okay. So, all right. So we're gonna try and take a sip of this beer. We're gonna try and do the best thing, because I know all you sports fans out there just wanted to say shut up and drink the darn thing, bud. Well, don't worry. The whole process, beer is a process. It's an art, okay? And I gotta pay respect. I gotta pay respect to this. This is a craft, okay? Some big guy, brewer guy, caribou guy. This came directly from the caribou man himself. You know, pissed in a can and gave it to us. And there's, for me to just drink it right out of the can like fucking Philistine. You think I am? Huh? Think I am a fucking retard, a Trump supporter? Fuck you, dude. I drink beer like you're supposed to drink it. Okay, dude? So okay. Sorry, not to get so political. Okay, so make sure you got Star Wars on the TV, and let's just dive right in. Let's drink the darn thing. And we paid enough respect. So take another sniff, and then just lift it, and you raise the bottom of the glass, and you tilt the liquid into your mouth. Yes, I'm definitely getting a. Supposed to aerate it. Like a certain popular video. Let's go for another one. I don't know if we can really get the flavor. I'm getting a strong beer flavor. I'm getting a strong beer sort of flavor and smell. It smells. There's no question here. No switcheroo occurred. This here fucking can that. It's not a soda water. It's not soda water, kids. We're drinking beer. It tastes like beer. So let's enjoy it. Wow. That definitely is a mug full of beer. I can definitely tell those boys down at Caribou putting their yes, okay. So time to give it a score. For appearance, I mean, you can't see it, so appearance is just defaults to about 10. And then we got nice light lacing on it. Look at that lacing on the glass. Look at that. It's beautiful. Those suds. Looks like I just cleaned that glass out with some soap. Didn't taste like it though. So I think for appearance I'd give it a 10. For smell I'd give it also another 10. And for taste I can only give this one a 9. I can only give this one a 9 for taste. It just doesn't taste quite enough like beer. It just tastes like other stuff, you know? It just doesn't, it's not quite right. I don't think, I can't really see myself enjoying this brew with some bros while watching some Star Wars. It just doesn't seem right. But it still gets a 9 out of 10. For mouthfeel, that's a solid 11. So it makes up for the taste. I mean, you can feel it in your mouth and all over your mouth. And that's just great. So overall, this beer gets a perfect score of like 40 points. That's just a perfect beer. Why would you drink anything else? Why would you drink anything else? Why would you drink anything else? Just drink beer. Just drink this. Drink Caribou Malt. Please sponsor me. Please give me money. And okay, guys, this has been a review. It's been a review of everybody's favorite beer. Now, if you look really closely, you can see that we're all dead inside. Just kidding. Just joking. Just joshing. Anyway, guys, this has been basic beers for basic bitches. .com and Papa Dan's big beer buyer base thing. So smash that like, smash that subscribe button, and make sure to comment on what sort of beer you're drinking right now while you're watching your favorite flicks. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go. I gotta go give my I gotta go call my mom. So bye. Thanks.